The Minimalist Vitamin C Serum is a lightweight yet powerful brightening treatment that targets dullness, dark spots, and uneven skin tone while staying gentle enough for daily use. In this video, we'll be breaking down the benefits of this serum and how to use it in your skincare routine. So, what makes this serum so effective? This formula is powered by ethyl ascorbic acid, a highly stable and effective form of vitamin C. It works to brighten dull skin, fade dark spots, and defend against environmental stresses as a proven antioxidant. It's paired with 1% acetylglucosamine, a skin-brightening amino sugar that also helps to boost your skin's natural hyaluronic acid levels, improving hydration and elasticity. To gently exfoliate and support a smoother, glowier complexion, the serum also includes gluconolactone, PHA. Unlike stronger acids, PHAs are gentle on sensitive skin and also act as humectants, drawing in moisture. Bonus, they offer mild UV protection and antioxidant benefits too. The whole formula is carried in a Centella asiatica water base, which helps calm, soothe, and strengthen the skin barrier, making this a great choice even for beginners or those with sensitive skin. To get the most out of this serum, start with cleansing your skin and pat dry. Apply toner if you use one. Dispense 2 to 3 drops and gently press into your face and neck. Follow with a moisturizer. In the morning, always finish with SPF 30 or higher. The Minimalist Vitamin C 10% serum delivers powerful results with minimal irritation, making it ideal for anyone looking to even out skin tone, hydrate, and glow. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this one. Want to see how this compares to other brightening serums? Check out the videos linked right here next.